Hello, I'm Ed and welcome back to another episode of Bilk. In today's episode, we've been invited down to Kaaimans International. We're going to be looking at the true cost of hypercar ownership. And to demonstrate the point, we've got something behind these doors that is a little bit special. Today we're going to be looking at the true cost of hypercar ownership, because it doesn't just stop with the sales price. And to demonstrate the point, behind these doors we've got something a little bit special. The Bugatti Chiron Sport. Let's get it out and have a look. Kaaimans have got one of only 20 of these cars in the world, with 1,500 horsepower from that incredible 8-litre W16 quad-turbo engine and 0 to 60 in less than 2.5 seconds. The Bugatti Chiron Sport. Before we get into too much detail about the actual cost of ownership, there is a reason why cars like this cost £2.65 million. There are 2.15 million miles of individual strands of carbon weave to create this car, which is enough to go around the circumference of the Earth 86 times. The catalytic converters inside the exhaust system of the Chiron Sport have an incredible surface area of 2.5 million square feet. That's the equivalent of 37 football pitches to capture the emissions of this 8-litre W16 beast. The engine itself has to have 10 radiators to keep it cool. That's more than in my house. The engineering is absolutely astonishing. The glass is not just normal single pane glass. This is double pane soundproof insulated glazing. The door itself, it's perfectly weighted to position and hold at any size opening. It is perfectly balanced. The attention to detail doesn't just stop on the outside. In the interior, the entire steering wheel is milled out of one single piece of aluminium. Everything about the cabin just screams luxury, from the simplicity and the elegance of the design, right the way down to the dials. Everything you see as the driver is beautifully put together. Watch this. Only the highest quality of leather has been used, and you can feel it and touch it throughout the cabin. The LCD screens combined with that old school analog dial just really add to the drama of the sitting position within. The signature Chiron C that extenuates all the way through has the single largest light fitting of any car, replicating the signature C on the exterior of this incredible Bugatti Chiron Sport. This is one of the most luxurious cabins I've ever been in. All this attention to detail, engineering and performance comes at a cost. So let's start with something that we can all relate to, the tyres. On the Bugatti Chiron Sport, these Pilot Sport Cup 2 tyres are £2,000 a corner. And in addition to that, you have to change the wheel itself and the full set of wheels at once, every 10,000 miles, the cost of which is a mere £50,000. And then the brakes, these carbon ceramic discs. For a set of discs, pads and calipers, that's £100,000. After 4 years, the turbochargers with inside the engine bay need to be swapped out at a cost of £20,000. The list goes on. I've got the information here from Bugatti. At 5 years, you have to replace the fuel tank, £40,000. Change the air duct cooler kit, £20,000. The camshafts need to be realigned, another £5,000 plus £20,000 labour charge. And then in addition to that, you have to calibrate and retune the engine for a smidge under £30,000. And that's just the mechanical side of things. Insurance will run you somewhere in the region of £30,000 a year, and the road tax the better part of another £3,000. Add to that the comically low MPG of 8, and it's easy to see why. All of those things considered, over 5 years, the Bugatti Chiron Sport will cost you £500,000 just to keep it on the road. Obviously, the costs of running this car compared to your normal family hatchback are astronomical. However, if you consider the fact that what you're buying is a piece of history and the values are only going one way, in reality, the cost over the time of your ownership will more than likely be outweighed by the value increase of the car itself. So if you've got that amount of money available and you're thinking of putting it into stocks, shares, or even Bitcoin, consider this. Can you drive a Bitcoin? I know which one I'd rather do. So that's it for our day here at Kaaimans International. Thank you very much to Gary and all the team for letting us come down and see not only this amazing facility, but letting us get an in-depth, close look at this incredible Bugatti Chiron Sport. If you're in a fortunate position where you could afford a car like this, please do get in touch with Gary and the team here at Kaaimans. They'd be happy to help. We really hope you've enjoyed the content. If you have, please do make sure you hit the like button. It really helps us with the YouTube algorithm and lets us know that we're producing content that you enjoy. And let us know in the comments what you think of the car and what you think of this fantastic showroom and facility that they have here at Kaaimans. And as always, please do not hesitate to hit that subscribe button and make sure you click the bell icon to let you know when new videos come live. So from me and all the team at Bilk, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.